Next, we are going to discuss on which kind of data we can perform data mining. That is, data mining on what kind of data. A number of different repositories on which mining can be performed. We can perform the data mining in a number of different data repositories. Generally, data mining can be applicable or performed to any kind of data repository, as well as to transient data such as data streams. In general, data mining should be applicable to any kind of data repository, which includes the different data repositories include relational databases, data warehouses, transactional databases, advanced database systems, flat files, data streams, and World Wide Web. The different data repositories are relational databases, data warehouses, transactional databases, advanced database systems, flat files, data streams, and World Wide Web. The advanced database system includes different systems like object relational databases and specific application oriented databases. The specific application oriented databases include spatial databases, time series databases, text databases, and multimedia databases. The advanced database system include different databases, that is object relational databases, as well as some specific application oriented databases. Examples for application oriented databases are spatial databases, time series databases, text databases, and multimedia databases. Now, the techniques and the challenges associated with the data mining may differ from one repository to another repository. That is, for each repository system, different techniques are used for data mining, as well as there exist different challenges in the data mining. Next, we are going to discuss these repository systems in detail. So, first we are going to study relational databases. So, what is a database management system or database system? A database management system or a database system consists of a collection of interrelated data known as database and a set of software programs to manage and access the data. Data management system, that is DBMS, consists of databases, database is a collection of interrelated data as well as a set of software programs. The set of software programs are used to manage and access the database management system is a collection of databases and a set of software programs. Database represents the interrelation between data. That is, database is a collection of interrelated data. The software programs are used to manage and access the data stored in the database. The software programs involve different mechanisms for the definition of database structure, for data storage, for concurrent, shared, or distributed data access, and for ensuring the consistency and security of the information stored. So the software program involves mechanisms to handle different things or to define several things. That is, for the definition of database structures. The software program involves mechanisms for data storage. It involves mechanisms for concurrent, shared, distributed data access, and for the consistency and security of information stored despite crash cases or attempts at unauthorized